Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the DSUM function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function provides the sum of all the numbers in a certain field of records that match our specified conditions. So we have our conditions right here, we have our database right here, and for this example we are going to use the field inside of the quantity column. So if I come with an example, so let's say we are looking inside of this database for those conditions. So we're looking for green cars that have a price that is higher than 4,500 and a weight of less than 2,250. So once we have found those cars, we want to return the quantity. And once we have all the quantities, we want to have a sum of all the quantities that respect this condition. So this is what the DSUM function does. So if we write it down right here, we'll start with an equal sign and then just write down the sum. Then we can open up our parentheses, and as I said, the first argument will be the database. So we can select our database. Then the second element will be the field. So what exactly we want to return? So we want to return quantities. So we can add those little commas right here and write down quantity. And then we can close it. Whoop, here we go. After that, we can add a comma, and for the criterias, we will select the conditions that are just here. And then we can close our parentheses and run our function. And just like that, our answer is 22. So if, for example, we look for all the cars that respect, these elements right here. So we have this car right there that has a price that is, this car right there doesn't respect it. Because the price is lower, so it's 17. This car right here respects the criteria. The price is higher than 4,500 and the weight is lower than 2,250. And finally, this car right here respects it as well, so it's 5,000 as well as 2014. So both of the conditions are respected, so it's 10. So if we do 12 plus 10, it's going to be 22. So we have the right answer. So if this car, for example, respected those conditions, the answer will be the quantity of this car plus this car plus this car. So it would have been 39 instead of 22. So this is how we use the DSUM function inside of Microsoft Excel. So if you like this tutorial, you can check out the link down below and find all my Microsoft Excel courses. And as always, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.